Good morning, church. It's Pastor Chris here. Just wanted to give you an update about this Sunday. As you've probably heard, the cases for the virus have been spiking in our area, and the governor has asked us to be a little more cautious. So with that in mind, we are going to be a little tighter on things this Sunday. We're making a number of changes. But again, the three options will be available. So if you're comfortable and want to come to Inside Church, that will still be available at 1045. Drive-in church is the safest in-person church we can offer. If you're feeling ill, if you've been exposed in any way, if you're in an at-risk group, that is the place to go and be safe and keep everyone else safe. So I encourage you, if you're in one of those groups, to please consider drive-in church. And then we'll also, of course, be live streaming on Facebook at 1045. Inside church this week, we're going to be more cautious than last week. We kind of had our normal greeting and we got to shake hands and it was awesome. And I know we all loved it. But this week, we are going to ask that you consider wearing a mask in church. So if you have one and you want to bring it with you, you're welcome to wear that. We'll have some here that we can make available to you if you need it. If you don't want to wear a mask, we definitely are not mandating or requiring a mask to come in the sanctuary. So you are still welcome to come and worship with us, even if you don't feel like a mask is something you want to wear. In Shine, we are changing things too to try to make sure our kids are staying apart. So they'll be watching a movie on Right Now Media this week where we can seat them distanced apart rather than getting them really close together. Just trying to take a few extra steps to make sure that as these cases surge, that we don't get an outbreak in our church. I know there have been churches in our area who've had some cases pop up in the church and they've reclosed, and I'm trying to avoid that in our church. But under any scenario, the worst thing that would happen to us is that we would go back to drive-in church and have that as our only worship option. But we will have worship here at the church every Sunday. So that's our update for today. It's a challenging environment, so please, I appreciate your patience and your grace with us as we try to do our best to keep our church safe and allow us to worship God the way we want to on Sundays. So God bless you all. See you Sunday.